In addition to these points, we have also provided a brief and straightforward purchase guide further in this post to assist you if you want to learn more about 120mm case fans. Before investing their hard-earned money, a customer should check the buying guide for all the critical facts. So, we unquestionably advise every reader to read the purchasing guide once. Let's look out the case fan options we have chosen for you in the interim. To choose from, there are a variety of 120mm case fans 2023. Each with unique features, advantages, and costs. I conducted a ton of research, read a ton of reviews, and put together a list of the best 120mm case fans 2023 from reliable businesses to help you make an informed choice. Following extensive investigation, I discovered how beneficial these items are for people like you. Check out my description if you want to learn more about the price and other details. Let's start the video now without further ado. Number 1. Be Quiet, Pure Wings. Next, you may also check the selection of Be Silent PC case fans. This is a superb and well-known company that sells high-performance, reasonably priced fans. The Pure Wings 2 120mm case fan has a total of 9 fan blades that are designed to produce superb airflow at all speeds. This fan's power connector is a 4-pin connector, thus its speed is completely adjustable, and it can spin at a maximum of 2000 RPM. Which is fantastic. Although it operates at a rather high speed, the noise it produces up to 36.9 decibels is fairly typical, given the abundance of better performing alternatives available. The noise isn't distracting at all, though, and it won't happen often. Apart from that, we really appreciate the build quality of this product, and the long life rifle bearing it employs allows it to have a service life rating of over 80,000 hours. Keep quiet about the warranty, please, on its PC case fans and provides a 3-year warranty. Number 2. Noctua NF-P12 Redux 1700 PWM. If you want to choose the case fans for your PC setup from a truly premium company, Noctua has a large selection of excellent solutions. Even though this fan option is extremely high-end and effective, it isn't overly expensive, which is a fantastic feature of this one. Because Noctua has been in this business for a while and has developed its fan-making process, this fan has an amazing build quality and has operated for more than 150,000 hours. It is quite astonishing that this fan can run as quietly as 25.1 decibels due to its pressure-optimized blade design. In fact, while operating at its highest speed of 1700 RPM, it makes no more noise than this. Speaking of speed, this case fan has a 4-pin connector, making it very easy to change the fan speed. About its guarantee, Noctua provides a 6-year warranty. Number 3. Uphere 3-pack long life computer case fan. Getting to the following PC case fan selection on this list, Uphere is one of the greatest brands that will provide what you specifically need if you're on a tight budget and want to buy several fans for a reasonable price. 3 120mm case fans are included in this package from Uphere, all of which are well made from sustainable materials and should endure for many years. When it comes to performance, these fans feature a hydraulic bearing that is wear resistant and enables them to operate at a low noise level of just 19 decibels. The fans actually spin at a rather rapid 1200 RPM, and each one provides a respectable 38 CFM of overall airflow. The fans are extremely lightweight overall, yet they are made quite robustly and have been tested to function flawlessly for over 40,000 hours. These fans have a 4-pin Molex connector that can be connected to the SU directly. Speaking about connectors, if you prefer to connect them directly to the motherboard, there is also a second 3-pin connector option available. In addition, Uphere has a solid reputation in the industry and provides a warranty that lasts for 1.5 years. Number 4. Antec 120mm case fan. Finally, we have yet another budget-friendly PC case fan option from Antec, one of the most well-known and reliable names in the PC accessory market. You'll be happy to learn that this kit comes with a total of 5 PC case fans, allowing you to use it to adequately ventilate your gaming setup. This package's pricing, which is really reasonable and gives you a lot of value for your money, makes it even more unique. In terms of how well these fans operate, each one has 7 blades that, at their maximum rotational speed of 1000 RPM, generate an airflow of 30.5 CFM. These fans are a wonderful alternative because they rarely generate any noise, even at their highest spinning speed. These fans have a measured noise level of only 21.5 decibels, which is quite remarkable. Other from that, The kit already contains all the installation accessories. You should choose this bargain since Antec additionally offers a 1.5-year warranty on these PC case fans. Number 5. Corsair Magnetic Levitation Fan. Given that it offers nearly all of the PC components that gamers would require, Corsair is recognized as one of the most well-liked and reliable names in the gaming industry. Corsair also provides in this market when it comes to PC case fans. One of the most expensive case fan alternatives on this list is the Corsair ML120. It operates as quickly as 2000 RPM, while maintaining a quiet performance with noise levels only up to 35 decibels. Thanks to a special magnetic bearing system, Corsair includes 2 case fans in this bundle, and both the build quality and the design of these fans are of the highest caliber. Each fan produces a respectable airflow of roughly 75 CFM because of its unique rotor design. Also, because these fans connect via a 4-pin connector, it is possible to regulate their speed. In addition, you'll be happy to learn that these PC case fans come with a 2-year warranty from Corsair. Number 6. Arctic ACFAN00119AP12 PWM. Arctic is a respectable brand that is widely known for producing inexpensive PC cooling components, including case fans, CPU coolers, and even monitor mounts. We personally enjoy the style and build quality of the Arctic ACFAN00119AP12 PWM case fan because it is completely black and can easily match any computer setup. The fan speed may be readily changed from 200 RPM to 1800 RPM whenever necessary, thanks to its 4-pin connector. This fan is the best at regulating power usage without sacrificing performance, thanks to the most recent PWM generation. As a result, at its maximum speed of 1800 RPM, it produces a maximum airflow of 56.3 CFM. It barely generates noise up to 10.64 decibels, even at such fast speeds, which is surprisingly good. Regarding warranties, Arctic provides a 6-year manufacturer warranty on all of its products. That's all I have to say. Please subscribe to my channel as I post useful videos every day. Please read my description if you require any additional details or want to know the cost of the goods. Comment below if you have any problems of any type. Keep up to speed with our innovative items, since they will make your life more simpler.